Welcome back to Smoke and Grill with Will. Tonight we're making butter noodles and steak. In a bowl you'll add 1 package of shaved steak by Kroger and add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil as well as Cowboy Butter seasoning from Kinder. Boil 8 cups of water, add 1 box of Barilla protein angel hair pasta. Boil for 8 to 10 minutes. In a pan, you'll add 3 tablespoons of avocado oil and your steak. Cook until 165 degrees. Transfer your steak from the pan to a plate. In the pan, add 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and 2 tablespoons of grated parmesan cheese. Add a majority of your noodles to a pan with the butter sauce in it and mix together. Plate your noodles and then top with steak. Here's the final product. For more videos like this, please check out the rest of the videos on my channel. Please like and subscribe.